Rick Ross plans to run for mayor after SAR show hits Roadblock. Rick Ross has revealed his plans to run for mayor in Fayetteville, Georgia, where his promised land estate is located after clashing with the city council over his car show. Ross confidently took to his Instagram story on Tuesday, May 16, after learning that his application for a permit to host the car show was denied, and went on to insist that the show will go on as planned. Ross went a step further by announcing that he'll be running for mayor in next year's election to help straighten Fayette County out. "I love Fayetteville so much. Next year I'm running for mayor," he said. That's right. The boss Rick Ross running for mayor of Fayetteville. "I want to know how many votes did it actually take to vote in the mayor of Fayetteville. I need to know that, cause we gon' become that. We gon' make that happen, and we gonna have a good time. We gon' give some people opportunities. We gon' give some people raises, and, of course, we gon' have to clean some people out." Rosie is slated to host his second annual car show at his sprawling Promised Land estate on June 3rd with performances from himself and Gucci Mane. After catching wind of the county's ruling, Ross said he isn't worried about potential roadblocks that may prevent the event from going forward. Breaking news: the Rick Ross car show June 3rd goes on. "It must go on," he declared in a series of clips posted to his Instagram story. "It's a private event on private property with VIPs, and you're invited. Tickets still available online. It's going to be a beautiful event. Shout out to the beautiful city of Fayetteville." The MMG mogul continued, "This when I become great during the challenges. That's what I like. That's why I was always one to initiate certain things, because I love the challenge. I don't have a problem going against the challenges because Ricky Rosie ready." Is it really a challenge? According to WSB-TV, Rosie's neighbors went to the Fayette County Board of Commissioners in April and complained that last year's car show brought traffic in the area to a complete standstill. Some neighbors signed petitions to kill the car show, and others threatened to go on vacation simply to avoid the excess of people. "Emma tell you this, I wouldn't even feel right if they weren't boycotting Boz," Rick Ross responded earlier this month via Instagram. "Because I never got nothing easy. It was never handed to me. I would be confused if they just let me get the money, when everybody else just met big rich producers and got record deals, and got rich. So, I would be confused if they weren't boycotting the Boz. Huh?